Hey guys, Anthony Medico SVG. I'm here in the Speakeasy. It's Monday night. Hey, we had some recent over the weekend. We had, for those of you that are on the private SVG page, vendors, suppliers, manufacturers, and service providers. As you guys may or may not know, it's a special place to be on the SVG page. We've recently had some people infiltrate the page, some lead generation, some telemarketing companies. Sometimes they don't always volunteer who they are, or they come under another title and start posting links and stuff to their various products, their websites, and really they start poaching customers, which means they drop Facebook messages. We have 7,500 mainly industry contractors, mainly owners and managers and top sales producers on the SVG page. There are obviously vendors, affiliate partners, people who serve the industry on this page. We've tried to be vigilant as to who gets on the page by questionnaire, but sometimes people come on there that shouldn't. So what we're gonna do this week is we're gonna actually scrub all the members and get rid of anybody that's a non-affiliate on the vendor, technology provider, or service provider side. For those of you that are affiliate partners, you know who you are. I need you guys to contact David, Autumn, or Chris Cowell. All of you got an email that went out tonight. Please take a look at that because there's a deadline of this Friday approaching. We need to scrub all non-affiliate vendors and service providers who have access to the page. The reason we do that, guys, is because we don't want the page to become a moving billboard of, let's say, 20 telemarketing companies. So we're very selective as far as vendors, manufacturers, and industry service providers who have access to the private SVG page, because we want to make sure they're vetted, they're approved, and are actually part of the network, and not just some startup company that may poach or may possibly encourage contractors to get into some kind of silly SEO program or buy leads and not delivering the leads. We've been pretty vigilant on this over the last 3 to 4 years. We've actually gotten rid of quite a few people over the years. Our block list is pretty long. But there are people that get on the page, and some of you guys that are vendors or service providers, you may not know how the affiliate partnership works, but this week, unfortunately, because of complaints we've had from contractors that are getting a lot of messages in their Facebook Messenger box, getting approached by various people, and we don't know who they are, we're going to have to scrub the vendors, service providers, tech providers. You guys know who you are on this page. If you're not an affiliate partner, you're going to be coming off the page. If you want to be an affiliate partner, you need to contact us, go through a vetting process, which we can do before Friday, and make sure you're good to go to be on a page. We do have a limited per category, so you'll never see like 10 telemarketing companies on a page. It's usually 3 or 4. You're not going to have 20 CRM companies on a page. You're not going to have 20 estimate and supplementing companies on a page. So those are reserved for key affiliate partners. And now if you're an affiliate partner, you know what I'm talking about. You like the fact that there's not 20 oddball companies on a page pitching and promoting their products. So for us to protect that turf of yours on the page, that's why we have the SVG affiliate partner process. Look, guys, I'd say I have a whole dedicated team that monitors that page and other pages. It's very special to be on that page because it means you've been approved and vetted. Contractors trust the affiliate partners on that page. We want to continue that trust, but you guys have to go through the renewal process. Even if you're an affiliate partner now, call in this week. Make sure you go through the approval process and get renewed, because the entire any vendor, service provider, tech provider is going to get scrubbed next Monday that doesn't go through the renewal process. It's very important so we keep the integrity of the page together and people don't get poached and it doesn't become a moving billboard of oddball vendors and tech providers that we don't know who they are. So just want to give you guys a heads up on that. Some of the key features of being an affiliate partner, just so you're aware, if you're on the page and maybe you didn't join, is you have access to over 7,500 roofing general contractors, mainly owners on a private SVG page. You have the ability to promote your advertising, your link, or your website once per day, and we support that because you're an approved affiliate partner. We actually create your own web page on our main Storm Venture Group page. So you actually have a lead portal where we create a web page under our affiliate partners on our homepage, where folks can enter in their email and phone number and get a hold of you. A lot of them just get a hold of you on the page itself, but they can actually enter a lead portal to our main page. We actually offer an introduction of your company product services by our staff. If you're new, we announce you as a new affiliate partner. And then we also do 1 or 2 posts per month of any content that you'd like. So my staff actually does those promotions for you on your behalf. giving you credibility in the marketplace and helping you get some marketing out there organically versus a paid ad. We also do that post on the private and the public page. So we do have a public SVG page and a private SVG page, and then we hit both of those pages with this post for our affiliate partners. That has a combined reach of over 10,000 industry contracts between the two pages. We also, for our affiliate partners, offer reputation management, dispute resolution. So as you guys know, we don't allow a lot of negative comments, posts about a given company. If we see that, we usually delete it. If a contractor has a legitimate dispute with a lead generation provider or a CRM company or a shingle manufacturing company, maybe it's a warranty issue, and if they blast it on the page, we remove it and then we contact them and we help mediate that dispute between the contractor and the affiliate partner, because a lot of times it's just miscommunication. If we get too many of those complaints, we actually remove the affiliate partner off. I mean, if it can't be resolved and the affiliate partner does not resolve the issue, whether it's money owed back or leads or credit or whatever, we will actually remove that affiliate partner from the page, and we've removed several. Some of you guys have probably seen that in the past. So we're very vigilant about that, but we believe that dispute resolution privately is often better than blasting someone on a page, so to say. So we do handle it, but we do it privately on your behalf to help your reputation, really help you as an affiliate partner solve the issue that's related to whoever it is, a public adjuster, for example, or an attorney. We've helped solve some issues like that. So we're pretty vigilant, guys, about keeping competitive non-affiliate partners who may not be qualified from the page, which helps service your current affiliate partners on the page. And it helps these contractors decide who are the best vendors, public adjusters, attorneys, CRM companies, estimated supplicants, who are the best ones to work with that aren't getting complaints, that are resolving their issues through dispute resolution, which SVG offers. Those are the ones on our page, because if they have too many bad check marks, they come off. If they're not on a page, there's a reason they're not on a page, and it's because they haven't gone through an approval process, or if they did, they didn't pass the test. So for you current affiliate partners, you guys know who you are. You have until Friday to renew and enroll in the affiliate partner program. We have to do it. We're going to do it once a year now. And so get with Chris Cowell, David Castano, or Autumn anytime this week. Go through the renewal process, because this weekend we're scrubbing them all. See you soon, guys. Hope you're killing it out there.